Hello, hello everyone. I want to give a small lecture about a topic in my subject business statistics. And now this is my second video plus image in this project. The topic is measures of dispersion. Now tell me what is dispersion? What do you mean by dispersion? Now in statistics, dispersion means the variation, scatterness, gap, lack of consistency, lack of uniformity. So uh, we have the three distribution and the example of, suppose three distribution have the same mean 5 5 5. Now we take three values in each distribution. In distribution A, all the three values are equal to 5. That means the total is 15. And in second distribution, the one value is 6, second is 4 and 5, the total is again 15. And the third distribution, the three values 12, 2, 1, and again total is 15. So now we calculate the mean. So all the three distribution have the same mean 5 5 5, 15 upon 3, 15 upon 3 and 15 upon 3. So how can we say that which distribution is the best? How can we compare? So if the three distribution have the same mean, we can't say that which distribution is the best. So for this purpose, we use the dispersion. That means now we can see that which distribution has the variation, and greater the variation, lesser the it is. So when we compare the two distribution, we taken about the dispersion, the variation. So lesser the variation, better it is. Lesser the variation, consistent it is. Lesser the variation, valid or better it is. So if we take that, if we see that in the first distribution, all the three values are equal to the means, that means there is no variation. And in distribution B, there is a slight more and slight less distribution. There is a slight variation in the distribution E. But in the distribution C, there is a lot of variation. The one value is slight more than, that means 12 is far greater than, and one value is 1 is far less than the 5. So there is a lot of variation. So now we can see that A distribution is the best, B is second number, and the third is C. C is the least best. So we conclude that lesser the distribution, better it is, and greater the variation, less it is. So this is all about the dispersion. So thank you very much.